Today, we are going to explain the Magento 2 product filter by geolocation. It helps the customers to enter or change their location to filter products. They can check which product is available in their area. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. After successfully installing the module, the admin needs to navigate to Stores, then Configuration, and click on Product Filter by Geolocation, where the admin can enable or disable the module, enter the Google Maps API key, and set the default location coverage distance for shipping. In case of product unavailability, the admin can set the status to yes or no and define the display text for unavailable products. After completing all the configurations, the admin needs to click on Save Configuration. To add a geolocation, the admin should navigate to Product Filter by Geolocation and click on Manage Geolocation for products. Then, click on Add Geolocation, fill in all the mandatory details, and click Save Geolocation. Once saved, the geolocation will be displayed in the Geolocation Manager. To assign a product to a particular geolocation, the admin needs to click on the desired geolocation and then click on Map Products. If products are already mapped to that geolocation, they will be listed there. Additionally, the admin can map a product to a geolocation from the Products page by clicking on Catalog, then Products. Then, select any product, click on Add Geolocation, choose multiple geolocations, and click on Add Geolocation again to complete the process. After completing all the configurations from the admin end, let's move to the front-end functionality of the module. Whenever a customer visits the website, they will be prompted to enter their location through a pop-up, where they need to provide their location to check product availability. Now, the customer can start browsing products. If the admin has not mapped a product to the customer's entered location, the product will be displayed as not available in your location. Otherwise, it will be shown as available. If the admin has not mapped a product to the customer's entered geolocation, the product will be displayed as unavailable or not available in your location. Similarly, this message will be displayed on the product page as well. That's all for the Magento 2 product filter by geolocation. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.